Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, let's pull down our notification panel and look for the battery saver. So for me it's right over here, and once you find yours, you can simply tap on it and this will automatically enable the power saving mode. And you can see it based on this little outline now that is on the battery. I know it's barely visible, but you can see that there is an additional color there. Something like an orangish kind of color in the battery. So that is just to indicate that it is right now enabled and that the device is in power saving mode. Now additionally, apart from that little flare in the battery, it does a couple things in the background which aren't specified really, which might be fairly significant to some people. So when the power saving mode is enabled and you lock the device, basically it will go to sleep right now. I'm not exactly sure what the timing of the sleep mode is set to, maybe like a minute or so, but basically what that means is that assuming it's a minute, after a minute of the device being locked, it disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile data. So any kind of application that requires internet connection to give you constant updates will have no connection, so thus you won't be getting any kind of updates from it. So as an example, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, all those applications require constant internet connection to deliver you for instance messages, and in the sleep mode that won't happen because the phone basically cuts off to preserve battery. Now all those updates will arrive to you the moment you unlock the device. It will automatically instantly reconnect to Wi-Fi and mobile and basically sync up everything that it didn't sync up for the time that it was sleeping. Now apart from that, I'll also mention that you can extend your battery life even further by simply dropping down your brightness, that's what I meant. So by dropping down your brightness, I know on the camera it doesn't really look appealing, especially at this moment it kind of looks really dim and not very fun. But honestly, looking at it right here, as it is for me on a table, it's not that bad. But dropping it halfway will yield you several hours, so it's a really good way to extend your battery life further. Now you can also do a couple additional things that will change how the device functions in a way. So as an example, if you don't need location, if you're not using GPS tracking or navigation, you can disable location. This will give you battery life. If you're using things like NFC or Bluetooth, or if it's enabled but you're not using them, disable them. That's another battery life that you can gain from it. But yeah, now going back to the actual battery saver, once you're done with it, all you need to do is tap on it to disable it and everything will go back to normal. Now that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.